Important things I am telling before go to the deletion. One is insertion, how to perform the insertion. I am not going to detail, showing a small insertion and telling a important concept. Suppose this is the data is there 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4 and telling the order m equal to 3. Okay, so if m equal to 3, that means we have to calculate key, the number of key or the number of data. What is the maximum number of key? This is the m, means this is the maximum number of children is 3. Okay, so what is the maximum number of key or data is possible? That is m minus 1, that is 2. Okay, similarly we have also calculated the minimum number of children or minimum number of key by m by 2 ceiling and number of keys m by 2 ceiling minus 1. Okay, so here see, first 5 will become, that means we have to create a node. Okay, this is also same as your binary search tree insertion. Next, when 10 will become, so what happen in the binary tree? At the right side you have to enter, but if you enter in the right side, what happen? It is not a B tree. Why? See, the leaf bar is not at the same level. This is a one level, this is one level. The leaf are not at the same level. So in the B tree, what happen? At any instant of time, we have to see it maintain a same level. So that is not a B tree. So for that, if 5 is there, we have to check if any space is there for this node. Yes, because the maximum number of node key value or data is 2. That means another space is available, so that at the right side, because it is greater than, at the right side you have to enter 10. Okay, and this is a same level. Okay, this is also same level. I'll maintain a B tree. Next, when 12 will come, we have to check where 12 is there at the right side. First to enter at the right side 10 and 12. Okay, next check, can it satisfy the property? Label is same, but what happen? The maximum number of node for a B tree is here order 3 is 2, but it violated the rule. So that what happened? We have to split it. How to split it? Whatever the median value is there, we have to go to the next level. The median value is go to the next level. That means this is 10, and what is the left side? 5, and what is the right side? It is 12. So see, it is a binary search tree property also maintained. Left side less than, right side greater than, and all the leaf node also same level. That means it is a B tree. It is a B tree, also a binary search tree, but all the leaf node at the same level. Okay, so and the minimum number of key also. Okay, what is the minimum number of key? You have to calculate 3 by 2 ceiling, that is your 1.5 equal to 2. So minimum number of children is 2. Okay, minimum number of, for internal node, minimum number of children equal to m by 2, and what is the number of data or key value? That is m by 2. If minimum number of children is 2, minimum number of data or key value is m by 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. That means each node minimum is 1. Okay, for order 3. For order 3 equal to 1. So it is satisfy the B tree property. All the B tree property is satisfied. Next, when next node is come 13, then what happen? We have to check here where is 13 go, either left or right. Another thing is there. Always B trees follow the bottom up approach. Bottom up approach. That is the difference between binary tree, binary search tree, and B tree. The binary search tree, what happen? We have to create from root to then leaf. But here we have to first design the leaf, then it go to the root. Okay, first leaf node are there, then we have to go from upper side. But in a binary search tree happen, we have to design the root, then we have to forward from the leaf. But here is different. That is, you follow the bottom up approach. That means हम नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Okay. So what happen? Whenever you 13 is come, so you have to check 13. Go to the right side, and right side this leaf node is 12. So that you have to insert it in this node at the right side. So at the right side, I have to insert it. No problem. Okay. Next, when 14 will become. So again, we have to insert it always the leaf side. So what is the leaf node here? 10 to 14. We have to compare it. Go to the right side, and right side this node is there. So I am inserting this 12, 13 and 14. After inserting this, you have to check what is the maximum number of node allow for this node. The maximum number of node allow is 2, but here 3. That means overflow is occur. So what is the median value is there? We have to move the forward level. Forward means at the next upper level. Okay, next upper level. That means what is the tree here? 13 go to the upper, here 10. Next is your 13. Okay, next at the left side it is 5. It is maintain a sorted order. Okay, so it is a maintain a sorted order. Next 12 go to the here. Next 14 go to the right side. So it always maintain a sorted order. This is left side, right side. If you check, it is a binary sort tree also. Okay, then next is 1. Next is 1. So you have to create another tree and 1 add it, but I am only showing here. But in the exam, whenever you create another tree, write down insert 1, then what is the tree will be there. Next is 2. Okay, next is your 2. Then whenever 2 will become 2 is less than this, so I am adding in this node. First add it, after that we have to perform the splitting. 1 2 5. Okay, 1 2 5. Then see, a minimum maximum number of key is 2, but here it is 3. That means again overflow. That means with the 2 value we have to go to the upper layer. So what happen? See, whenever 2 value go to the upper layer, then what happen? Here see, I am drawing a just rough diagram. Here also in the next step you have to see in this way and draw the next step. So see, whenever 2 is go to this step, the next upper level, that means when 2 is stored here, then 10 13 2 10 13. Again it is overflow because the maximum key is 2. That means what happen in these cases, again the median value go to the one next level. Okay, one next upper level. That means this tree will be like this. 10 will be go to the upper level. Left side it is 2, right side it is 13. Okay, and left side it is 1, right side it is what? 5. Next 13 less 12 and it is 14. Okay, so only this arrangement is very easy. According to the order, increasing order you have to arrange. It is less than, then greater than, less than, greater than. According to the order you have to arrange this tree. Okay, so after 2, then after 2 per, after 3. So 3 is less than this, you have to here, you have to then here check. 3 is greater than this, then you have to go this node. So for this node already space is available, so that we have to insert it here. No overflow is here. Okay, because it required maximum it is 2 key and minimum it is 1 key. So 2 keys there, no overflow occur. So after you have to draw in another tree, but I am only showing this in this tree. Okay, next 4. Next when 4 will become, then 4 will be check, it is less than, it go here, then it is greater than, then go here. So we have to draw like this 3 4 5. Okay, after insertion of this we have to draw like this 3 4 5. But what happened? This is overflow because minimum key is equal to 2. Minimum key equal to 2. That means whatever the median value is there, this median value go to the upper layer and check the upper layer. If it is add it, no overflow occur, that means it's okay, no need to go again upper layer. So what happened? 10 is there, here 4 is go to the upper layer, that means it is 2 4, right? Only the sorted order 2 4. Okay, this is also maximum key. Okay, no problem. Then here 13, then it is 1, then in the middle I am writing what? 3. Okay, next 5 is writing here. Okay, then here 12, then here 14. Okay, so this is your 10 2 4 13 1 3 5 12 13. So this is your all the nodes are list are completed. So this is your final tree, B tree with order equal to 3. So it is very much important to see to observe what is the order. According to the order in the question, you have to concentrate in the order, whatever the order is there, according to the order you have to construct a tree. Okay, so sometime another question is there. Suppose a even tree is there like this. Suppose 1 2 3 4, a even tree is there. In the odd number of tree you have to select the median. Okay, what is the mid value are there, and go to the level, upper level. So in case of this even number of node are there, then how to, if it is full, then in the higher order. Okay, if it is full, then which node go to the upper layer, because this is also a middle node and this is also a middle level. Okay, so this is a left median, 2 is called is your left median, and 3 is called right median. Okay, so if you take 2 it is okay, if you take 3 it is okay. Okay, if you take a left median, it construct a left bias tree. If it is a right median, it is also a right bias tree. So if a question is written only take a left median or left side or left median tree, then you have to check contain or select this, and this will be go to the upper layer. If question will be right, take the right median, then you have to select it. But you have to remember that if question is not giving, you have to take either left or right, no problem. But if you select left median, then whole tree, constructing whole tree, you always select the left median. If you starting selected from the right median, from the whole constructing the whole tree, you have to select the right median. Don't mix with one left median, one right median, one left median and right median, then that the tree will be wrong. Okay, if you select first left median, then from all the splitting from first to last, you have to choose the left median. Otherwise, if you start with the right median, then select from the all the tree, from constructing all the tree, you have to choose the right median. So that is the your that is a similarly from the order 5, if you construct the tree, or order 4 you have to construct a tree. First to check whatever the maximum number of key and minimum number of key, because here in the insertion it basically depend on what is the maximum number of key, because the overflow condition is checked. If it is a maximum, it is a overflow, then the median value will be go to the next upper layer. And the underflow condition, that is the minimum number of key, is checked in case of the deletion. Okay, in the next session we have to discuss about the deletion.